And we are back, traders. This is Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, April 11th, 2013. And I am going to start things off here by letting you know that precious metals could be ready to make a rally, especially silver here. This is SLV. This is an ETF on silver. We have a falling wedge. Here we popped up. Now we've made a very tiny, itsy bitsy, teeny little bullish pennant. So because of this, we could be ready to break out. And if we do break out, it will also be breaking out of a falling wedge to the upside, and that could be putting in our bottom here. So with that said, I'm looking at possible entry at 27.21. So if it does break out, that'd be confirmed. We would want to see follow through, but we do have a falling 20-day moving average that could act as resistance, and also our next level is 27.54 acting as resistance, and a lot of area up here acting as resistance. But you're going to have those areas of resistance when you're breaking out of a falling wedge type formation. So anyway, that's one for you. Take a look here at the S&P. You'll see that S&P popped up, giving us a fresh high. And we are starting to knock at the door of 1600, and we did have a high today at 1597. Now that's a big problem for us here, because we have a much better chance of dropping now that we hit this near 1600 mark. Now, if we do go higher than this tomorrow, closing out the week, it would be very feasible to see it drop back down and close down below this trend line that I have drawing. So watch for that to happen, but I think the probabilities are more that we're going to have a red candlestick closing out the week, and that will lead us into a big time weekend edition video that you won't want to miss. However, if we do go higher, there's a big chance that it's going to come right back down before day's end, closing below 1600 and probably below this red trend line itself. If you look here at a weekly chart, you'll see that we are still higher. We came up here, touched that 1600, come right back down. Now again, weekly chart, this is on the NASDAQ, and you can increase this video to look at it in full screen, high definition. But we stopped right here on the week so far at a resistance line coming across. Major resistance on a weekly chart. If you go to the daily, making fresh new highs, going higher here, all looks quite well as far as the markets are concerned until you get to the weekly charts resistance. Take a look at Google. Google looks like a beautiful bull pullback on the weekly chart. So the weekly chart, we pop through, nice bull pullback. This dude looks like he's ready to rock and roll. If you look at a daily chart, it looks like it's ready to crash and burn. We've broke down. We broke that support. We now back at that area. Support is now acting as resistance, and we have a hangman. A lot of moving averages serving as resistance. So we have a significant chance of dropping right now. So if that's the case, the weekly chart will not find support here, but will break down through. I do not like what I'm seeing in the technicals here in the markets as a whole. Now Apple on the daily pop and a little bit rise here, but the volume's not so great. But this is nothing but a bear pullback below major moving averages. If you look here on the weekly chart, you see we've dropped, falling wedge, breakout, a little pullback. Now we are at a support area. We do have a bullish harami right now, and this could be a great place to see a rally in Apple, putting in a double bottom trend reversal pattern. On Facebook, on the daily chart, it continues to go higher. I like the fact that we cleared the 50 and 100-day moving averages. Thing that has me a little concerned now on the weekly chart is we drop. We are popping, but we have right now finding some resistance at the 20-week moving average. And the other thing is on the MACD, we have dropped. We have curled or crossed over. We have positive ticks on the histogram. We are going higher, but we're back at the zero line that could act as resistance. So we really need to power through here, giving us a much better run and to continue this area. That'd be shoulder, head and shoulder. This would be an inverted head and shoulder type reversal pattern, and we should go higher if the markets can stay strong. However, we have a lot of technical problems out there that could really throw a wrench into things. In just over a week, we're going to be doing an online mentorship. It's Saturday, Sunday, and Monday all day long. If you're interested in that, make sure you go to the website. Click on mentoring. Once here, feel free to read all the information, fill out the form, and you will get all the information you could possibly ask for about the mentorship, and feel free to listen to the videos. If you speak Spanish, and especially if you live in Mexico, we're doing a live event. So click here, email Nitza, and both Miguel, Nitza, and myself will be down there in Mexico in the end of May. And we're doing a live event mentorship in June. If you're interested in joining us, fill out the form, and we'll be in touch with you. Take care, safe trading, share us with a friend, and share this video with others.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I wanted to take a quick moment to tell you about Grok Trade's 3-day mentorship program. The past few years have been really rough for us. I've lost a lot of money in the markets, didn't really know which ones would be a winning stock, and really I spent my head behind a computer a lot, buried in trying to figure out what the charts and the graphs really mean, and analysis was just not my thing. So finally there came a point where I've been watching the Grok Trades 3-day or the free market reports and videos that they do, and I've always wanted to take their 3-day mentoring program. However, I never found the time. But finally I said to myself, there's got to be a point where you stop losing money, and you got to learn to do this right if you're going to do it at all. And that's when I made the mental commitment to go ahead and take the Grok's training. The 3-day course, the 3-day mentorship program has been amazing. I now have the confidence that I need to be able to pick the right stocks, look at the data, throw out the fluff, and get right down to what I need to look at to make the decisions. And now I don't have the weakness in my trading strategies anymore. So I only wish I really found it sooner. I know this is going to be a great thing for you. Every trader needs to have a mentor of some kind. The Grok trade system is a logical choice, and it's been fantastic for us, and I know it'll do the same for you. Thanks.